Today Mum is cooking something special. No, it's not chicken. She is cooking my favorite roast lamb. For the ingredients, she uses 2 varieties of garam masala, Panchpran Indian spices, ground black cardamom, nutmeg, lemon zest, salt to taste, chili powder, jeera powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black and white pepper, garlic and ginger, mixed curry powder, lemon, yogurt, mustard oil. She mixes the spices to a lamb shoulder. She leaves the lamb to marinate for at least an hour. She then heats up the oven to 180 degrees and lets it cook for 2 hours. Then the lamb is ready and you can eat with rice or bread. Yummy!
Have you seen Mum's Kitchen?
Yeah, I have. I really love the channel. Us chickens have been on it a few times.
Make sure you tell everyone to like, share and subscribe.